Today we got a cab by fiberglass ARE V series. Fits the 2016 to current model Toyota Tacoma Double Cab with the 5.2 bed. This is orange or red, reddish orange in color. Inferno Red, I think, is what they called it. It's in decent shape. Does have I don't really see any damage on the top of here. Top looks in really good shape. Side looks good. Bottom edge is in good shape. Not all chipped up on the bottom edge. The only thing I've seen at all in here is this small little chip right there. Other than that, I didn't see anything else on this one. It does have the half side sliders. Front window is a picture front. No damage up here. Oh, it is a small little chip right there too. I just see it. A small chip right there. Top's in good shape. Front edge is nice. Bottom edge on the front is good as well. Does have a sliding window in the front, so you can slide the window open, access the cab from the cap and the cap from the cab. Just seal that back up. The top edge look good. No damage on this side that I see. Bottom edges looks nice. Half side sliders on this side as well. No damage on the back edge that I can see. And I got a couple small little chips right there. That's just dirt. That's a little chip right there. Some of those are dirt, some of those are chips. It looks like just the one is a chip there. Single T-handle locking rear door. Inside, screens are in good shape. No damage on the screens that I can see. Bare fiberglass inside. The screen looks really good. The screen looks nice. No holes in this screen either. Serial number. It's specifically built for a 2017 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab 4XO. Inferno Red is the color, but that fits the 16 to current models. There it is. Got a cab high V series top by ARE. It's a 2016 to current model double cab Toyota Tacomas with the 5.2 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.